Hello everyone, welcome back. So today's topic is going to be on printing the list elements in reverse order. Given any list elements, I have to print the resultant list in the reverse order. So how do we actually do? Let me just take a static value of list A, which has been initialized with, let me take 9, 8, 7, 6, 5 and 4. Okay. So how many elements are there? There are 6 elements, okay, within the list. Then I just write print. I'll make use of functions here. Reversed of, I'm passing the argument list into the reverse function call. Okay. So now actually what do we actually do? I'll just tell you the mathematical logic here. Come to this particular line. So how do we actually print it in the reverse order? The output should be 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9, right? So the mathematical logic which I am using here is, first I'll take the first element A of 0, okay, and then I swap with A of, this is A of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? A of 0 with A of 5. So the resultant list elements will be, okay, I'll take the first element 9 and swap it with the last element. So you'll get 4, then 9. Okay, then after swapping the first and the last element, I'll move to the second element and the second last element. What are the numbers? 8 and 5. So I will swap 5 with 8, right? So this will be 4, 5, 8 and 9. And then these two numbers 7 and 6. So what are the numbers here? I'll swap 7 with 6. So this will be 6 and 7. You got it? Now it is reversed. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. See the logic? I'll again repeat. So what is the logic? What logic I'm going to follow? This is the mathematical logic, and based on this mathematical logic, I'll be writing the code. Okay. Now check here. We have 6 elements in the list. Okay. So the first element is pointed by the index A of 0, second one A of 1, third one A of 2, A of 3, A of 4 and A of 5. So what I'll do, first I'll take A of 0 and I'll swap it with A of 5. Okay. So the resultant will be, first I'm swapping the first element with the last element, that will be 4 and 9. Got it? Then I'll take second element with the last second element. So you'll get 5 and 8. I'm swapping like this. Okay. Then I'll take the next element, third element with the last third element. So that will be 6 and 7. You got it? This is how I'm going to swap. Okay. Now let me teach you the actual code. This is the list element and I'm making a function call, passing the list as the argument. Okay. So when I'm making a function call, I have to write the function definition using the keyword def. What is the function name? Reversed. And what is the parameter I'm passing? It is A. Okay. Then followed by colon. This is the syntax to write the function definition. Now since I need to swap the first element with the last element, I'll make use of two pointers. One is the left pointer to move from left to right, another one is the right pointer to move from right to left. So left pointer, initially it is pointing to index 0. So left pointer is equal to 0. Okay, left pointer is pointing at index 0, so left pointer is equal to 0. What is right pointer? Now just observe here how many elements I have. I have 6 elements, but what is index of the last element? It is 5, which means right pointer is equal to length of the list. Correct? What is length of the list? 6. But where is the last pointer pointing? The index, it is 5. So it is minus 1. Got it? So left pointer will be pointing to the 0th index. Right pointer will be pointing to the 5th index. Got it? Okay. So I'm making use of two pointers. Now what is the condition? While left pointer is less than right pointer. Okay, while left pointer is less than right pointer, which means left pointer is pointing here, right pointer is pointing here. So obviously left pointer is less than the right pointer if it is true. So it will come inside. What should I do? First, my left pointer is pointing at 9, right pointer is pointing at 4. Okay, so I need to swap left pointer with the right pointer value. So swapping, what is the logic? Using temporary variable. I'll swap using temporary variable. So I'll declare temp is equal to a of left pointer, right? Then what is A of left pointer? Is equal to A of right pointer. then a of right pointer is equal to temp, correct? Now observe here. What is temp value? Temp is equal to a of left pointer. What is left pointer value here? What is left pointer? 0. What is a of 0? 9. Okay, so temp will become 9. Then what is left pointer? I'm replacing to its right pointer. What is right pointer? Length of a minus 1, it is pointing to 4. Okay, so this becomes 4 and RP will become 9. Okay, so let me complete, then I'll teach you the tracing part of that. Then after that I have to move on to the next elements, right? After moving, after having a check between the first and the last, then I have to move to the second and the last second. So what should I do? Left pointer is equal to left pointer plus 1. Okay, then right pointer is equal to right pointer minus 1. Left pointer is equal to left pointer plus 1, right pointer is equal to right pointer minus 1. So I'm navigating both the pointers, and finally I have to return the array. You got it? Finally I have to return the array. Now let me trace the code, then we'll run. Okay, so coming here, the first line that will be executed is line number 12. Okay, then after that it is line number 13. Now there is a function call, so the control from line number 13 will move to line number 2. Okay, now coming here, what is the list? A will have 9, 8, 7, 6, 5 and 4, right? Okay, coming to the next line, left pointer. What is left pointer? Is equal to 0. Next, what is right pointer? Right pointer is equal to, what is length of A? Length of A minus 1, right? So what is right pointer? RP is equal to length of A means how many elements are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it is 6 minus 1, which means right pointer is equal to 5, right? Okay, after that come to this particular trace. Now it is trace 1. Trace 1. What will happen? LP. What is LP? LP is 0. 0 is less than, what is RP? It is 5. 0 is less than 5. It's true. Correct? So it will come here, moves to the next line. Since it is true, it enters the loop. What I'm doing here? Temp is equal to A of LP. A of LP, right? So what is temp? Temp is equal to A of 0. LP value 0. So what is temp value? Temp is equal to A of 0. What is A of 0? 9. So temp value is equal to 9. Okay, then come to this particular line. What is A of LP? What is LP? 0. A of 0 is now replaced with A of RP. A of, what is RP? 5, right? So what is A of 0? A of 0 is replaced with A of 5. What is A of 5? It is 4. So A of 0 becomes 4. Got it? Then moves to the next line. A of RP. What is RP? A of 5. A of 5 is equal to, what is temp value now? 9. Now observe, A of 0 has become 4, A of 5 has become 9. So come here. Now what does it change? A of 0, now it has become 4. After line number 7, A of 0 is 4. Okay, then A of 5 has become 9. If you observe, this is the actual list, and within the function, see, the last two values 9 and 4 are swapped here. Understood? And then I have to move the left pointer. LP is equal to LP plus 1, 0 plus 1. What is 0 plus 1? LP is equal to 1. Okay, what is RP? RP is equal to 5 minus 1. So RP is equal to 4. RP was 5 previously during trace 1. Now after the end of trace 1, RP has become 4, which means a left pointer now will move to this particular position, right pointer will move to this particular position. You got it? Then again from line number 10, it moves to line number 5. Now trace 2. What is trace 2? What is LP? LP is 1 here. So is 1 less than, what is RP? It is 4. Current value of RP is 4. It is true. So it will come inside. Now I need to swap. What I'm swapping? A of temp is equal to A of LP. That is 1. So what is temp? Now 1 is here, right? What is A of 1? It is 8. Got it? Then what is A of 1? It is the value of A of 4 because right pointer is 4. Okay. Now what is A of 1? Right pointer. What is right pointer? It is 5. So A of 1 has become 5. Okay. Then what is A of 4? A of RP? It is temp value. What is temp value? 8. Which means second value and the last second value are swapped now. What is that? A of 1 has become 5. A of 4 has become 8. Correct? Now it is swapped. Okay, now what is left pointer? It is again 1 plus 1. Left pointer will move to second index value. What is right pointer? It's 4 minus 1. Now right pointer moves to third index. Okay. Now see here, 4 and 5, 8 and 9 are swapped. Now left pointer is here and right pointer is here. Okay. Now again it will go back from line number 10. It moves to line number 5. 5. So it is trace 3. So what happens in the trace 3? LP. What is LP? 2. Is 2 less than 3, right pointer? It is true. So it enters. So what happens? A of 2. Temp value is equal to A of 2. What is A of 2? 0, 1, 2. So it is 7. Next, come here. What is A of 2? It is A of RP. What is RP? It is 3, right? Index is 3. So what is A of 2? Index of 3 is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 is 6. So 6 will come here. Okay. Now what is A of RP? RP value is 3. What is A of RP? Temp. What is temp? It is 7. So what will happen here? A of 2 is being changed to 6 and A of 3 is being changed to 7. Got it? Then LP is equal to, previous value it was 2. It has become 3. Now right pointer. What is right pointer? 3 minus 1. This becomes 2. Now what will happen? Left pointer moves to this particular position, right pointer will move to this particular position. When again after line number 10, when line number 5 is executing, now it checks whether, what is LP? It is 3. Is 3 less than 2? False. Correct? Which means it doesn't enter the looping concept, looping here. Then it moves to line number 11. What is line number 11? Return A. I'm returning the list A. Now what is list A? We have swapped all the numbers. So when I'm printing, it will be the reversed order. Okay, let me run the code. See, I'm getting 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. The logic that I have actually traced. Okay, so this is the actual part of the code to print the list elements in reverse order. Okay, it's only the swapping concept. We are just swapping the first element with the last element, second element with second last element, third with the last third element. Okay, this is for even number of lists. Suppose if I have odd number, I'll add 3 here. So what should be the output? I should get 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. How many elements are there? There are 7 elements. Let us run the code. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Okay, so this particular code will work for even number of elements as well as for odd number of elements in the list. Okay, so I hope the video was clear. Thank you.